Today we're going to install this Wi-Fi wall outlet. We're going to remove the existing outlet because this unit doesn't just plug into the wall, it is the actual receptacle. I'll go through the setup and challenges of this installation. Using your cell phone, you can turn on and off the top receptacle on this outlet. You can schedule times that the outlet will be on and off. And with the app, you can connect up the Amazon Alexa Dot. The outlet comes with a USB port as well, which is nice. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the details. With the power off, take off the old outlet. The new outlet is quite a bit larger. We'll connect in the ground, the white lug goes to neutral, and the hot wire goes onto the gold lug. We'll wrap electrical tape around the lugs and put the outlet in the box. We'll snug everything up and put the cover plate on. Now with the power turned on, we'll set everything up. The top outlet is the one controlled by the app. You can see there's no power on the VCR. Once I push this button, now you can see we're getting power. There's a green light on the outlet to show you that it's getting power. With the app installed, we can start getting everything set up. We can set up the days and hours that we want the outlet on or off. By touching the screen, we can test to make sure everything's working. Now everything's all set up. We have our Wi-Fi controlled outlet working in the wall. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.